You are not gonna believe all the new items that Dollar Tree has out for summer. Stick with me, you're not gonna wanna miss this. Walking into my store, they have a ton of new items for spring and summer. Now, I've shown you guys these lanterns before. This blue color is new. I really like this blue color. I also love these little solar lanterns. How great would these be on your patio? Another new item I was noticing are these $5 decorative pillows. It looks like they have the striped ones and then just plain blue pillows. Last haul video, I showed you guys these silver lanterns. They also have them in the gold color. They now have these foldable step stools. They say that they can hold up to 200 pounds and they're $5. Check out these tall baskets. These are only $5. This one's gray. It looks like they may have a blue one and a teal. The front of my store has a ton of Mother's Day items. Let me show you some of my favorites. I love these. These are perfect for organizing. I like putting little jewelry items in here, and they come in all of these like really fun finishes. I like this one a lot. Look how cute that is. You can also pick up a lot of great items for DIYs, like these vases would be perfect in a DIY. And then look how gorgeous these little containers are. I'm getting ready to do a Dollar Tree bathroom DIY, and I think these would be perfect. How gorgeous are these little wood boxes? They come in 3 different sizes. Look at this cool new pattern on these Mother's Day frames.
Make sure you paint that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your phone, the subscribe button is right next to my channel name. Click the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. You can also click the notification bell so you can see more videos like my Dollar Tree DIYs, home hacks, and room makeovers.
Let's check out these stems. These are definitely new. These are called coastal picks, so they're definitely kind of ocean vibes. Let me show you all the different ones. That one's cool, I like that. This one has some seashells on it. I think this one might be my favorite. They also have some seahorses. These are really cool. I don't remember seeing these last year. I want you guys to be on the lookout for this basket. This is gonna be the basket of the summer. It comes in 3 different colors. I've only been able to find it in this color, and there's only one at my store, but I just think it's so cute, and it's only $1.25. They just put out these charger plates. How gorgeous are these? This vase style is definitely new and really pretty. Can you guys believe that Dollar Tree is now carrying some of these summer items? Check out these $5 bags. These are such good quality. They have these nice handles to it, perfect beach bag, and it's huge. They have them in a bunch of different styles. You can get this one that says stay salty. They also have this one that says out of the office. That blue summer vibes one is really cute. And then they also have this one. Can you believe you can also pick up beach towels at your Dollar Tree? Now, they are very fun, have a lot of fun colors. They are thin, but if you like a thin beach towel, these may be for you. But there's so many different prints and styles you can choose from. I think my favorite would be these tie-dye ones. Oh my gosh, I just ordered these beach clips on Amazon and they were kind of expensive. You guys, these are beach chair clips. So what you can do is you can actually use them to hold your towel in place when you're out at the beach or the pool. They have all these different like fun ones. Let me know down in the comments which one you would pick up, the flip-flops or starfish. If you're looking for affordable outdoor seat cushions, you can get them here at Dollar Tree for $5. They have the basic colors. I really like this blue one with the leaves on it. How adorable are these watermelon bowls and plates? When you're looking in the decor section, even if you don't like these small prints, they are great for DIYing. I love to get little prints like this. I love to use them as fabric to wrap my crafts with. So many DIY options in the shore living section. This is the time of year to pick up your gardening gloves. They're only $1.25 and they come in really cute patterns. I love buying scissors at Dollar Tree. These are a little bit different and they don't have them out all year long. They're their floral scissors. Now my store only has them in purple, but they do a really good job cutting. I like keeping a pair of these in my kitchen. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. The summer toy section really doesn't change each year, but there are some toys that are better than others. Let me show you some of my favorites. The buckets and sand toys are always a hit with my kids. I also love these glow sticks. I feel like they're a good price and they're fun to use in the summer. If you haven't tried these water balloon bunches, it makes filling up water balloons so much easier. I love these for parties, and Dollar Tree has 30 water balloons priced at $3. That's a great deal. How adorable is this lemon bucket hat for summer? I'm in my favorite section, the Crafter's Square. I'm on a hunt for all the new items to show you. Okay, I think these are new, you guys. Look how gorgeous those are. These are okay, not my favorites. They also have these burlap leaves. Oh, they have them in white too. That's cute. Let's get these. These look new. These are burlap stretched canvas. You guys are gonna have to let me know if you've seen these before. They're DIY wood dice pieces. I have never seen these. I'm gonna get them to use as legs in some of my crafts. Look at this adorable wood tray with the scallop edge on this. This is so cute. I'm definitely picking it up. Now, if you're tired of doing my DIY paint pours, you could just buy them at Dollar Tree for $5. If your store has a Dollar Tree Plus home decor section, let me show you some items you should be looking out for. It's exciting that Dollar Tree now has some outdoor rugs. They have two different styles. They have this blue pattern, and then they also have the black one. These rugs are 23 inches by 36 inches. Let me know down in the comments which one's your favorite, the black or the blue. I think hands down one of the best storage items over here is this basket. It's $3. I have it in white. I just found it in several new colors. It comes in gray. There's also this green one and a red. There may be other colors, but that's what my store has. Oh, it's also in blue. I just found the blue. There's a couple of wreath options you can pick up in the plus section. There's one that's very summery. Now all of these are $5. They also have one with lemons, but my favorite one is probably this lavender wreath over here. How adorable is that? The $5 footstools are available in gray. And then I think a new color they have is this cream. Check out these collapsible baskets. They come in two different colors. These are great for storing a variety of items, and I love that they're collapsible. I love these solar lanterns. They're $5, but they're so pretty. These would be great in an outdoor space. If you're having a summer party or get together, you can't beat the price of the $1.25 inflatables. This little cookie one is really cute and new this year. You can also get this splash ring, several new journal patterns to choose from. Over in the glassware, there's not a ton of new items, but I did see a few that are new. Dollar Tree never disappoints with their selection in vases. I'm loving the color options. They also have these tulip ones that are perfect for spring and summer. If you like to DIY, they brought back their light bulb terrariums. These are great to put succulents in, and really you can do a lot of crafts with these. I would love to know if anybody's tried one of these Dollar Tree candle making sets. I haven't tried it yet. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried it. I made my way over to the pet section, and Dollar Tree now has these $1.25 water dispensing bowls. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. Let's talk organization. Over in the laundry essentials section, there's a new container. This one has some faux leather handles, but I really like the pattern on it. For summer, Dollar Tree likes to put out their bright colors for organizers, so let me show you what they have this year. You can pick up a variety of baskets in the teal, the blue, and the pink. These baskets are similar to those $3 ones we showed you, and they're at the $1.25 price point. These are some of my favorite containers for organizing your fridge. You can put so many different snacks in here. I love that they have this handle to pull them in and out of your fridge. I found the rest of the bucket hats over here. They're just $1.25. I think these make great crafts in the summer. You can let your kids use fabric markers on them, or you could tie-dye. They also have one in a tie-dye color. Here's a look at what the new summer trays look like. Over in the utensil section, Dollar Tree has a new line of utensils. Have you guys seen the bamboo tools with these gray silicone tops? Let me know down in the comments which of these items you're going to be picking up at Dollar Tree the next time you go shopping. Make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.